Napunta tayo sa had been, which is in the past perfect. And again, since past perfect siya, prior to past, bago ang past. Ibig sabihin, may isang prior past situation or earlier past situation na totoo before another past action. Halimbawa, ganito, Anna and John had been in a relationship for 2 years before they broke up. So dito meron tayong broke up, which is a simple past action. Nag-break na sila. So past na to. And before sila mag-break, they had been together for 2 years. Ibig sabihin, this one is an earlier situation. It's an earlier past situation that was true prior to this. Okay? Ibig sabihin, naging sila for 2 years bago sila nag-break. Yung situation na to, yung pagiging sila, totoo lang yun before nilang mag-break. Kaya dapat past perfect na kasi hindi na siya totoo ngayon.